In today's video, we're going to talk about email marketing's best practices, and I'm going to give you 7 tips to grow your business and grow your income with email marketing. Now, I'm also going to explain to you why these tips work. I don't know about you, but if I understand why things work, I'm far more likely to get on board and make things happen. A solid email marketing plan will bring you repeat business, referral business. It also positions you as an expert in your industry, allowing you to increase your prices. All of these things result in more revenue for your business. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every Thursday when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching. We help people just like you go from startup to six figures. So whether that's $100,000 or $999,000, we're here to help you hit your goals. Stay till the end of this video because we have a tip sheet for you that will help you master email marketing and triple your income. So tip number 1 is building your email list. And I will tell you, bigger is better. Building your email list is something you want to work on consistently. It's best if you set a goal and each month with intention, build your list. So whether you're out networking or you're talking to prospects on the phone, make sure you're putting all of these people into your email marketing list. Another thing is you want to have an opt-in. Especially on your website. If people are landing on your website, you want to give them the opportunity to opt in for something fabulous. So you want to create a tip sheet or a case study, something that will motivate them to give you their email address so that you can then start to build the relationship with them. So set goals, track how you're doing building your list, and remember, bigger is better. So step number 2 is great content. Now that you have people on your email list, you want to show up and add value. And you do this with great content. So that can be things that educate your clients. You can share things that are going on in your industry. You can actually interview other people that would be a benefit to your clients. So for example, if you're a real estate agent, maybe you'd want to interview a loan officer. So you can collaborate to create great content. It's also a wonderful place for you to offer specials. So you want to keep your clients interested in reading your content. Now, one of the keys to great content is a fantastic subject line. So make sure you spend time working on that subject line so that you motivate people to open your email and read your fantastic content. So number 3 is using video in your email marketing. Now, let me tell you, video does something that no other form of marketing does, and that helps you build the relationship with your clients. I started using a video in my marketing in 2006. This was back when I owned a mortgage company, and I would send videos to people on my email list telling them, what they needed to bring in for their loan application, letting them know what the difference was between a home inspection and a home appraisal. So we used video just to educate people. And we were shocked to find out when people came in to meet with us, they already felt like they knew us. They already felt connected to us. And that's all because of video. So make sure you use video in your email marketing. And you can do this in a couple of different ways. You can use it in just your monthly or weekly email. You can also use a video tutorial or training in your opt-in. So let's say you're a professional organizer or an interior designer. You could do a video tutorial teaching your potential prospects how to design a room or how to organize a space. So this tutorial shows off your skills, but it also allows them to build relationship with you. And that's the real key to video. Video allows us to build relationship with people much quicker than any other medium out there. So definitely consider using video in your email marketing. Please comment below with the word video if you're going to add video to your email marketing. We'd love to know. So number 4 is being consistent. We all struggle with that as business owners. The best way to do that is using an editorial calendar. So whether you email monthly, twice a month, once a week, twice a week, or every day, you should have an editorial calendar so you can plan things ahead of time so that you can be consistent. What being consistent does for you as a business owner is it lets people see that you're running your business well. They know that they're going to get an email from you twice a week, and you show up in their inbox twice a week. Let's say it's Mondays and Fridays. They get to the point where they know that you're going to email them. And so they're seeing the name of your company, they're reading your content, and they're getting to see that you're a consistent person. You're a consistent business. And this makes people feel good. You want to work with companies that are reputable. You want to work with companies that are doing a good job marketing because you know they're going to stay in business. And you want to do business with people who simply show up. So consistency shows your clients that you show up, that you do what you say you're going to do. So be consistent with your email marketing. So step number 5 is co-marketing. So one of the fantastic things you can do is you can work with other people. So maybe you interview people for your blog post or for your videos, and then you share them through your email marketing. So some great examples: a real estate agent and a loan officer. They can interview each other and then share those on both of their email lists. A bookkeeper could interview a CPA and share that with both of their lists. A contractor and an interior designer, or an architect and an interior designer. So by co-marketing, what's happening is you're creating one piece of content that's going to both parties' email list. And it also, collaborating, I think, just builds great relationships with the people that we consistently do work with. So make sure that you add some collaboration into your email marketing content calendar. So tip number 6, branding and formatting your email marketing. There are a couple of different trends right now. It seems like if you're business to consumer, everyone's using a great header image and branding the email marketing to their businesses. We're starting to see more business to business email marketing go out with just text in the body and or video with text explaining what it is. So whether you choose to brand your video or you choose to just use text in the body, just make sure you're consistent and make sure that you have obviously your information of how to contact you at the bottom. Always have a nice call to action in your email marketing so that, reach out for a phone call with us, click here for this week's special, reply to this email if you have any questions. So just make sure you're consistent with your formatting. And lastly, we have tip number 7, and that is using your data to improve your email marketing game. So first of all, there's all kinds of fantastic data. We talked about in tip number 1, growing your list. So you should consistently look to see how many people are on your list and is it growing the way you want it to. The second thing is you can track national open rates. So you can see in your industry how many people generally open emails in your industry. Is it 14%, 18%, 20%? And you want to compare yourself to that national average, and you want to be above average, and you want to track that. So the way you know if you're doing a good job is, are you above the national average? If not, improve your subject line, improve your content. It's an ongoing game to get better and better at providing your database with the information that they want that motivates them to open your email list. You also want to look at your opt-in, or people on your website opting in. So you look at the traffic that's coming to your website compared to the number of people that are opting in. Are those numbers in line with what you want? If not, maybe you need to change your opt-in. But all of this information is invaluable to building your business and using email marketing to the best of its advantages. And let me tell you, email marketing has so many fantastic advantages. Again, you can see who opened your email, if they clicked on the link, how long they stayed there, did they come back, did they forward it to someone else? Let me tell you, it's like, stalking a little bit. You can stalk to see what people are doing, but it tells you how you're doing. It's a great way for you to see if you're adding great content and you're providing good value to the people who are on your email list. So set a time aside once a week, once a month, whatever works for you, and really go through your numbers. We use a spreadsheet for that. So in the description below, we are going to have a link to our Mastering Email Marketing to Triple Your Income. And that will give you the information on where to find the national averages. It'll also give you a spreadsheet that you can use to track your results. And we want to help you grow and build your list. So please go to the description and grab that opt-in. As always, we are truly excited to be a part of your entrepreneurial journey. So thank you for being here with us today. If you find this information valuable, please like it, subscribe, and ring the bell, and share our content with other people that you think it could help. Until our next video, dream big.